This vehicle comes with Google built in, so you can use Google Assistant to get things done while keeping your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. Call or text friends, listen to music, set reminders, or even change the temperature in the vehicle. Just ask Google Assistant. To activate Google Assistant, press and release the talk button on the steering wheel, or just say, "Hey Google," to get started. The system works best when you use short, direct commands and speak naturally, not too fast or too slow. For example, to make a phone call to a stored contact, just say, "Hey Google, call Jenna." To listen to a favorite radio station, say, "Hey Google, play 87.7 FM." If you're in the mood for some food, you could say, "Hey Google, find a fast food restaurant." The system can then initiate navigation to the place using Google Maps. You can even say, "Hey Google, set temperature to 73 degrees for perfect comfort in the cabin." Google Assistant automatically stops listening after each conversation until activated again. See the vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.